All right, today we are going to finish painting our winter trees. So we have the snow in the bottom, we have the cool colors in the wintry sky, and we painted our foreground, middle ground, and background trees. Today we are going to be adding the snow, the falling snow, and the snow that would be on the branches. So you should have two brushes, a large one and a small one, just like last time. A container of white paint. Now this is liquid tempera paint that I have watered down a little bit because we don't want the paint to be too thick. And then of course water for rinsing your brushes. So you are actually going to be using both brushes at the same time. We are going to first dip the big brush into your paint. And we don't want it to be dripping out everywhere. Just want to do a regular dip. So if you get too much, then you know you can wipe it on the side here. Just some paint to start. We don't want it to be too globby. Then we're going to hold this stick sideways so it makes like the letter T or a cross. Now, of course, we don't need any of the snow down here, but we can have it looking like it's on the trunks or in the sky. So this is the technique. It's going to be splatter painting. It's kind of fun. We don't want to get too carried away. We have our placemat, but we don't want paint to get everywhere. So we're going to hold the one stick like this. This is just going to be for a stick, and we're going to tap, tap, tap. So this paint is going to splatter on there. Here we go. Tap, tap, tap. And you can move it around and put that snow wherever you want. If you want to get some more, you can. If you get a couple of big drops like that, that's quite all right. Sometimes snow falls in big clumps. Start to run out, you can get another little dip. And then put the snow on the sky. Oh, got a big clump, that's okay. Because what we're going to do next, now I'm done with this one, I can wash it and put it down on the paper. Now I can use my small brush for paint on the branches. Now I have that big glob right there, so I'm going to use that paint and I'm going to put that paint right on top of that branch. So I can just put a little bit of, using your paintbrush like a ballerina on her tippy toes, just the tip. And we are going to just put some white snow, the places where the snow would fall on the branches. Just in a few places here and there to make it look like the snow is sticking to the branches, just like it does on a blustery, wintry day. It's not going to take too long. Just going to do a few little pieces here and there on the branches. If you want to, you could put some snow on the trunks, as it might kind of, if the wind is blowing from this way, the snow might be, you want it to stay kind of thick on you. You don't want to mix it with that white. But you can put some snow on this side of all of the trunks and some of the branches, so it looks like that snow is really blowing and sticking onto those trees. And that's it. Then we have our snowy branches.